Hello, everybody, how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download CapCut for your PC. So Capcom is basically a video editing software, which is available for Android and iOS, but it's not available for PC. But this video will help you guys to use CapCut on your PC as well. Now you guys can do that. Just watch the video until the end to find the way. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It Simple. Let's move on. First step, since CapCut is only available for a PC, we need to download the emulator. And I personally like to use BlueStacks because BlueStack is a software which allows you to run mobile on your PC. And once we can run mobile on our PC like this, we can use Play Store. Once we can use Play Store, we can basically download CapCut and use it. So this is the loophole which we can use. So for this you need to go to your browser and then you want to search for BlueStack. Search for BlueStack, you want to click on where it says download BlueStacks. Once you click on download BlueStacks, it will take you to the official website at BlueStack. Once it'll be here, click on download BlueStacks 5. Once you do that, BlueStack installer will download. Once BlueStack installer is downloaded, you have to install Booster Pack on our PC. And I don't think I need to teach you guys on how you guys can install our app on your PC, or it can just go on downloads and your download folder is going to be over here. You can just click on that folder BlueStack that you just downloaded and then start to install. Once it's installed, it's going to open up over here just like this. Once it opens over here, what you want to do is click on Play Store because we want to download CapCut. Once you're over here, log in into your Google Play Store account, which you can easily do. If you do not know, you can search on YouTube telling how we guys can log in into your Google Play Store account. And over here in search, you want to write CapCut. After a search for CapCut, click on Install. Once you click on Install, your CapCut will start to install, and once it finishes installing, you can open it and use it. So that's how we guys can install CapCut on your PC. The only thing is you need to install BlueStacks, and every time you need to use CapCut, you need to open BlueStack, and from that BlueStack you need to open CapCut, right? So there are some extra steps you need to do, but it is what it is, right? So I hope you guys understand how you guys can use CapCut on your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.